Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Inayatullah from the Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. So in this video, we are going to cover the shortcuts or the time-saving results of the topic limits. So in the Ecet examination, if you are seeing the syllabus of the mathematics means we are having the topic functions and limits. In this topic, we are getting compulsory 2 marks okay, from the complete differentiation. Actually, we are having the complete differentiation part. In the differentiation, we are having the basics of this topic, which is functions and limits. So from this functions and limits, we are getting minimum 2 marks. Okay. So if you are using the shortcuts or else the TSRs, time saving results. So for some questions means what will happen whenever we are writing the exam is that time management is compulsory. So if you are using the shortcuts or else the TSRs for the questions means then we can spend the extra time which is left for some difficult questions. Okay. So we have to try most of the TSRs, what are the shortcuts. So we have to use that part. Is it clear? And Saimedha has given you already the never before and it will be never after offer, that is we are providing the online course for Ecet. Okay, online course for Ecet for only 3,333 rupees, 3333. Now what comes under this online course means we have covered each and every topic of the syllabus. Okay, after covering each and every topic means how we have arranged that part. First we are having the topic wise digitally recorded videos, all the topic wise digitally recorded videos we are having. Then we are having the practice sets also, means after completion of that videos you have to practice that questions. We are having the practice sets, practice set 1, 2, 3, okay, different practice sets we are having. So we have to practice that one. After practicing the questions we have placed the self test also, means for testing how much you have covered, how much you know about the topic. For testing that part you can write the self test also. Is it clear? Now let us start the shortcuts or TSRs of this topic limits over here. So daily I am going to upload one topic about the shortcuts. What are the shortcuts? How we can write the direct answers by seeing the question itself. If we can't write the direct answers means within a less number of steps, means within a 1 step, 2 step answers, how we are getting that part. Okay, let us see this one now. So model 1. Okay, I am representing it as models, model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4, like that. Let us see this model 1 over here. First one is limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a, it is equals to n into a power n minus 1. This is our standard limit. Okay, so whenever we are starting the concept or else the topic limits over here, we are having the first standard limit was first shortcut over here. It is limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a, it is equals to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, and what is the next part? Limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m divided by x power n minus a power n. Both these limits are same only, both these conditions are same only. What is the difference over here means in this what we have taken the power n is there and this we are having the power m and power n. So what is the condition over here when we can apply the TSR, when we can apply that standard limit over here? Listen to this one carefully. So x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a means what we are having the powers of the numerator n, means the powers should be same for numerator as well as denominator also. Over here we are having n, means the powers are same in the numerator. What is the power over here? 1. We are having the power 1, means the powers of the denominator is also same. Okay, and this a value, this a value, this a value and this a value should be same. Suppose a value is equal to 2 we are taking. So over here it should be 2, this part is also 2 and this part is also 2. Okay, if it is applying this, if it is satisfying this condition, then only we can write this part as n into a power n minus 1. Directly we can write that answer. Okay, n into a power n minus 1. Suppose if you are having some different powers means the powers of the numerators are same, the powers of the denominators are same, then how we are writing this part? M by n into a power m minus n. Over here also we have written the same concept, we have used the same concept over here, because first we are writing the power of the numerator, then we are writing the power of the denominator, m by n. Similarly, if you want to write this part means what will happen? The power of the numerator, then the power of the denominator means 1, n by 1, it will become n only, then a power m minus n, a power n minus 1. Okay, so both the formulas same only. Let us use that formula. So what is our first question? Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is given. So what I have told you, this a value should be same. Okay, a value should be same and the powers should also be same. The powers of the numerator as well as powers of the denominator should be same. So what we are doing means this 4 is there. 4 means can we write it as 2 square actually? Yes or no? We can write it as 2 square. If you are writing it as 2 square means the powers are becoming same over here, and a value it is also becoming same. Okay, so we can apply the direct formula over here. What is the shortcut formula? N into a power n minus 1. So what is n value we are having? 2. So we have written 2 over here. 2 into what is a value now? After writing this part as 2 square, a value it is becoming what? 2 again. So 2 power n minus 1. Again n minus 1 means 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means it is equals to 1 itself. So which is equals to 2 2s will become 4. That's it. Okay. So we are using this formula n into a power n minus 1 and directly we are writing the answers. Now let us see the next question. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3 is given over here. So if you are seeing this question means again we are not having the same powers. Then how we can make into the same powers means this 3 is there. 3 means how we can write that part as? We can write it as 3 square actually. Okay. If you are writing that part as 3 square means what will happen now? 3 square means the powers are becoming same and a value it is also becoming same. Now let us use the formula. We are having the formula as n into a power n minus 1. So what is n value now? 2. 2 into what is a value? A value it is equals to 3 we have taken. Then n minus 1. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1 which is 1. So 2 3s it is equals to 6. That's it. Now next part. Limit x tends to 4, x square minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is there. So actually what is the procedure over here means whenever we are getting this type of question means directly we will substitute the x value. Suppose if you are substituting the x value over here means what will happen? 2 square minus 4, 2 square will become 4, 4 minus 4, 0. In the denominator also 2 minus 2, 0, 0 by 0, it is indeterminate form. That's why we are using the shortcut means standard limit we are using over here. Understood? Suppose if we are getting the answer as 0 by 0 means it is indeterminate form. If it is becoming indeterminate form means what we have to do? We have to do somewhat changes in the question. Changes in the question means this part if you are writing it as 2 square, it is in the form of what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square means we can write it as a plus b into a minus b also. We can do like that also, but for reducing our steps, what we are doing? For reducing our steps, we are using the shortcut over here. What is the shortcut? N into a power n minus 1. That's it. Okay. Now let us see this question. Limit x tends to 4, x square minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is here. Suppose if you are substituting the x value directly, what will happen? 4 square. 4 square it is becoming what? 16. 16 minus 16 means 0. Divided by 4 minus 4 means 0. Again it is becoming in the form of 0 by 0 which is indeterminate form. Let us apply the standard limit over here TSR. So 16 we are having. Now we are not having the same powers as well as the a value is not same. So what we can do means this 16 is there. 16 is there. 16 how we can write actually? 16 we can write it as 2 power 4 also. Yes or no? 2 power 4, or else we can write it as 4 square. But which one will be applicable over here? If you are writing 4 square, if you are writing 4 square, then 4 means a values will become same, square means the powers will become same. Understood? So how we are writing this part? X square minus 4 square divided by x minus 4. We have to write like that. Understood? Now let us use this formula n. N means 2 we have taken into what is a value we are having? 4 to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 4s it is equals to 8. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Limit x tends to 3, x power 5 minus 243 divided by x minus 3 we are having. Okay. Now again 243 we are having. How we can write that 243? Because in this 16 also how we have written 4 square we have taken, then only we can write this part. We can use that formula over there. Okay. Now in this case also 243. How we can write, how we can decide that it is this power, this number we are having over there means it is very simple. I'll give you one more shortcut over here. So how we have to decide this part means 243, it can be written as what? We have to make the powers as equal, powers as same we have to make, and the a value should be same. How we can decide the a value means either we can take this part or else we can take this part, because what we are having the TSR over here, limit x tends to a, directly a value is given. A value is given means this part should be 3 power. Now how many times it is, how much power we have to take over here? We are taking from the left part. Okay, we are taking from over here because the powers should be same. So once we have to cross check that part. Suppose if you are taking this part as 3 power 5, 3 power 5 means it is equals to what? 243. Understood? So we are writing this part as a 3 power 5 we have taken. Now let us use the TSR over here. What we are having? 5. First we have written it as 5. 5 into what is a value we are having? A value it is equals to 3. Now in the power, what we have to do? N minus 1. N minus means what? 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. Now which is equals to, now we have to multiply this part. 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 81 into 5 means 4 not 5. This will be the answer. Understood? Now next question. Limit x tends to 3 is given. X cube minus 27 divided by x minus 3 we are having now. Okay, x minus 3. Similarly, in this part also 27. How we can write that 27? Just now what I have told you. A value we are taking over here. 3 we have taken. So 3 cube. How we are deciding that it is 3? How we are deciding that it is cube means we are taking from this part. Okay, 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So we have written this part as 3 cube actually. Now how we can write n? N means 3 we are having into, okay. Now a value again we are having it as 3. Now power n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? N value we are having it as 3. 3 minus 1 means 2 we have taken, okay. So it is equals to 3 square means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So we are writing this part as 27. That's it. Now let us see the next question. Limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 divided by x square minus 9 is it, okay. Now again we have to convert this part. How we are converting that one? Let us see the a value. From where we are seeing the a value means limit x tends to a is given over here. A value is equals to 3. So we have to write this 27 in the form of 3 power, and this 9 also we have to write in the form of 3 power. Sometimes it will be given like this. X minus 3 means directly a value we are having, but in this question again this is changed. So what we have to do? We have to write it as in the form of a power only, 3 power only. What is the a value is given over here? We have to write in that form. Understood? Now 27. 27 means how we can write? The power should be same over here. We know the a value which is 3. 3 power, how we can make it as 27 now? 3 cube, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we are making this part as what? 3 cube. Now 9, how we can write the 9 in 3 terms means 3 square, okay. So we have written this part 3 cube we have taken, and this part as 3 square we have taken, okay. Now we are having the powers in the numerator as well as in the denominator also. So already we have discussed this part. Whenever we are having the condition as x power m minus a power m divided by x power n minus a power n, what is the formula now? M by n into a power m minus n, okay. We have to use that part. Means we are taking the power of the numerator and we are taking the power of the denominator also. So how we can write this part as, what is the m value? M value we are having it as 3 divided by, what is n value? It is equals to 2 we have taken, 3 by 2 into, okay. Now a power m minus n, what is a value we are having? 3. 3 power m minus n, what is m value? 3. What is n value? 2. 3 minus 2, it is equals to 1. So what we are getting the answer over here? 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2, okay. Like this we have to solve. So if you are using these shortcuts, if you are using this TSRs, time saving results, means we'll save much time in the examination, and we can spend that time in the difficult questions as well. Is it clear? So what we are having the TSR, what is the model number 1 over here? Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus 8 is equals to n into a power n minus 1. Only we are using this one concept, this one formula, and we can solve number of questions from this, okay. And again I am telling you, Saimedha is providing never before and it will never after offer, which is online course, which is of 3333. Now let us see this question over here. Limit x tends to 5, x power 1 by 2 minus 5 power 1 by 2 divided by x minus 5 is given, okay. So as we have discussed over here, a value, what is the a value we are having? 5. 5 5 5 is same. The powers of the numerators are same, means 1 by 2 1 by 2, and the powers of the denominator is also same, 1 1, okay. So now which formula we are using? Actually n into a power n minus 1. Let us apply this formula. What is n value? 1 by 2 1 by 2 into a value. What is a value we are having? 5. So we have written 5. Now n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? N value it is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 we have taken over here. So which is equals to 1 by 2 into 5 power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 means what we are getting? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Suppose if we want to remove this minus sign from the power, means what we have to do? We have to write in the denominator. So we are writing like this. It is equals to 1 divided by, already 2 we are having. Now if you are writing this part in the denominator, means 5 power 1 by 2. 5 power 1 by 2 means directly what we can write? Root 5. That's it. Okay, so the answer for this question, limit x tends to 5, x power 1 by 2 minus 5 power 1 by 2 divided by x minus 5, it is equals to what? 1 by 2 root 5. Okay, now similarly next question, limit x tends to a, root x minus root a divided by x minus a is given. So first we have to find out the n value, because a value means a values are same. We have to find out n value. What is n value? This root x means what actually? Root x means we can write it as x power 1 by 2. If it is x power 1 by 2 means similarly a power 1 by 2. So n value it is becoming what? 1 by 2. Let us write over here. So we are writing this part as 1 by 2. We have taken n into a means we are having a only, a power n minus 1. N minus 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1. Similarly we are getting this part, 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into a power minus 1 by 2, it is equals to. Again if you want to remove this minus sign from the power means what we have to do? We have to write in the denominator. So we are writing this part as 1 divided by 2 we are having already. If you are writing this part in the denominator means a power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2 means what? Root a. Okay, 1 by 2 root a. Now next question, limit x tends to 1, cube root of x minus 1 divided by square root of x minus 1 is given. Okay, so first we have to convert this root actually. So how we can write this root? Cube root of x is given. Suppose if it is square root of x means how we have taken over here? 1 by 2, power 1 by 2 we have taken. If it is cube root of x means how we have to write? Power 1 by 3 we have to write. Understood? So this part, let us write it first. Limit x tends to 1, it is in the form of x power 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by x power, square root means we are writing it as 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, we have taken this part. A values are same. A values are same, but the powers of the numerator should be same, powers of the denominator should also be same. So if it is x power 1 by 3 means for 1, can we write it as 1 power 1 by 3? It will be same only, 1 power 1 by 3 means it is equals to 1. Similarly, 1 power 1 by 2 means it is also same, 1 power 1 by 2 means it is equals to 1. Now the powers of the numerator as well as the powers of the denominator is becoming same now. So it is equals to, what we have to write now? We have to use this formula, m by n into a power m minus n. What is m value? 1 by 3 divided by n value 1 by 2 into a value 1 to the power of m minus n. M minus n means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 means it will become what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 means this part will be 3 2s are 6 and this part will become what? 2 minus 3 means minus 1 by 6. Again if you want to remove that minus sign from the power means we have to write in the denominator, but it is 1 power actually, 1 power will become 1 only. So 2 by 3 into 1 means it is 2 by 3. Now next, limit x tends to 2, square root of x cube minus square root of 8 divided by root x power 5 minus root 32 is given over here. Okay, means what is a value actually? 2. If you are having a value it is equals to 2 means over here also it should be in the 2 power, in this part also it should be 2 power. Now how we are writing this part? We have to select the power from where? This part, left part. So 8 means we are writing it as 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Similarly, for this how we have to write? 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So we have written this part as 2 cube and this part as what? 2 power 5 we have taken. But complete power we have to write, again it is in the form of root also, root x cube is given. So how we can write this question means actually limit x tends to 2, already 3 we are having and square root means 1 by 2, power to the power means we have to multiply that part. 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So this part will become x power 3 by 2 minus, similarly this part will become 2 power 3 by 2 divided by x power 5 by 2 minus 2 power 5 by 2. Now this is our question. Okay, so after writing this question it will become very easy because a values are same, then powers of the numerators are same, powers of the denominators are same, then directly we have to use the formula. So which is equals to, now what we can write this part as 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 into, what is a value? 2. What is m minus n? Means 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 we have taken over here. So this 2 gets cancelled. So we are getting the answer as a 3 by 5 into This part will become 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 means it is equals to minus 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 we are having in the numerator, means 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 means again if you want to remove that minus sign from the power, we have to write in the denominator. Means we are writing this part as 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 10. Okay, 3 by 10. Next part, limit x tends to a, root of x cube minus root of a cube divided by cube root of x minus cube root of a is given. Again, let us convert this question actually. So how we can write this part? Limit x tends to a we have taken, and how we can write this part? X power 3 by 2 minus a power 3 by 2 divided by, and this part is what? Cube root of x is given. Cube root of x means x power 1 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3 we have taken. Okay, we have written this part. Now let us see a values, we are having it as same, powers of the numerators are same, powers of the denominators are same. Let us apply the formula. 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 we have taken into a power, and it is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to, okay, which is equals to. Now what we are doing this part will become what? 9 by 2. Okay, this part will become 9 by 2 and into a power. Now if you are taking the LCM means what will happen? 2 3s are 6. This part it is becoming 6 over here, and the numerator part will be 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2, 7. So this is 9 by 2 into a power 7 by 6. Okay. So this was the questions related to this TSR. What is the TSR over here? Limit x tends to x power n minus a power n divided by x minus n is equals to n into a power n minus 1. So these are the gunshot bits of the topic limits for the Ecet 2023 examination. Is it clear? So with this we have completed this most expected questions, gunshot bits questions of this model 1. Okay, TSR 1 we have completed. Is it clear? Then in the tomorrow's video we are going to cover the model 2, second TSR will cover of the topic limits. Okay, at last I am going to again tell you this online course, which is an excellent offer. That online course, it is of what? 3,333 rupees only. If you want any more details about this online course means you can contact on the below given number. Thank you very much.